You've heard about the keto diet and its promise of weight loss and better health, but you're overwhelmed by all the conflicting rules and advice out there. You're not alone. The world of keto can feel like a labyrinth of do's and don'ts, leaving many of us stuck at the starting line, unsure which path to take. Today we're going to simplify things. Consider this your straightforward guide to the keto diet. We'll cut through the confusion, the buzzwords, the conflicting advice, and reveal the essential rules for a successful keto journey. It's important to understand that keto is more than just a love affair with bacon and butter. Yes, they can be part of your diet, but the key to keto is understanding the science behind it and making informed, healthy choices. It's about learning how to fuel your body in a different, more efficient way. The keto diet isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, and your journey will be unique. But with the right knowledge, you can navigate the keto maze with confidence and ease. So let's cut through the noise and reveal the real deal about the keto diet. One of the key principles of the keto diet is utilizing fats for energy. This is a significant shift from the traditional diet where carbs are the main energy source. The idea is to get your body into a state called ketosis, where it's burning fat for fuel instead of carbs. This helps in weight loss and can lead to other health benefits. Now let's delve into the world of macronutrients, the fats, proteins, and carbs. In a keto diet, fats are the stars of the show, making up about 70 to 75% of your total daily calories. That doesn't mean you can gorge on any kind of fat though. It's important to choose healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Next up are proteins, which should make up about 20 to 25% of your total calories. Proteins are crucial for maintaining muscle mass while you're losing weight. But here's where the myth-busting comes in. Contrary to popular belief, not all proteins are created equal. Lean proteins such as chicken and fish are the best choices. And lastly, we have carbs, often seen as the villain in the keto world. But it's not that carbs are bad, it's just that they play a limited role in a keto diet. Ideally, only about 5 to 10% of your daily calories should come from carbs. And when we talk about carbs, we mean complex carbs from vegetables, not simple carbs from sugary snacks. There are also some myths floating around that can derail your keto journey. For instance, the idea that all protein is bad or that you can eat unlimited cheese. These are misconceptions. Proteins are essential, and while cheese is a good source of fat, it should be consumed in moderation. Understanding these principles is the first step to a successful keto journey. It's not just about cutting out carbs or eating lots of bacon. It's about making informed choices that align with the science behind the diet. Remember, keto is not a one-size-fits-all diet. What works for one person might not work for another. The key is to listen to your body, adjust as necessary, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Now that you understand the basic principles of keto, let's explore what a balanced keto plate looks like. The first thing you'll need to consider is your fat sources. These are the heart of your keto diet. Avocados, for instance, are excellent sources of healthy fats. Nuts and seeds also pack a punch, providing both fats and fiber. Olive oil and fatty fish like salmon are also wonderful options, offering beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Remember, these fats are not just delicious, but they're key to helping your body achieve and maintain that sought-after state of ketosis. Moving on to proteins, the rule of thumb here is to opt for lean sources. Chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and tempeh are all excellent options. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and keeping you feeling satiated. However, moderation is key. Overconsumption can potentially knock you out of ketosis, so be sure to balance it out with your fat intake. Now let's talk vegetables. Yes, you heard it right. Vegetables have their place on a keto plate. The key is to choose low-carb options. Leafy greens, broccoli, bell peppers, and cucumbers are all fantastic choices. They provide essential vitamins and minerals, helping to ensure a balanced and nutritious diet. But beware of the hidden carb deceptions. Starchy vegetables, certain fruits, and processed foods can be surprisingly high in carbs. Always read labels carefully, and remember, just because it's a vegetable or fruit doesn't mean it's low in carbs. Finally, let's spice things up a bit. Herbs, garlic, red pepper flakes, and other low-carb spices are your secret weapon for adding flavor without the carbs. They can transform your meals, making your keto journey both delicious and enjoyable. Building a balanced keto plate is about more than just restrictions. It's about making informed, delicious choices. In the next scene, we'll go beyond just food and delve into the lifestyle hacks that can further support your keto journey. Stay tuned. The keto diet isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you live. This is the mantra that we all need to remember when we embark on a ketogenic journey. It's not just about packing our plates with fat and protein, but also about adopting a lifestyle that supports our wellness goals. Hydration is a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle, and it's especially crucial in a keto diet. Water is your best friend, whether you're in ketosis or not. It aids digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and even helps curb hunger pangs. Unsweetened tea and black coffee also make excellent hydration companions, providing a bit of flavor without any carbs. Sweet treats aren't entirely off limits on a keto diet, but it's important to choose your sweeteners wisely. Stevia, erythritol, and monk fruit are all keto-friendly options that can help satisfy your sweet tooth without kicking you out of ketosis. Each has its own unique flavor profile, so don't be afraid to experiment and find the one that suits your palate best. Meal prepping can be a game changer on a keto diet. It's all too easy to reach for a carb-laden snack when you're hungry and nothing's ready. But with a bit of planning and preparation, you can have delicious keto-friendly meals and snacks at your fingertips. This will not only keep you on track but also save you time and stress throughout the week. Lastly, don't forget the power of community. Whether it's an online forum, a local group, or a supportive friend, having people who understand your journey can make all the difference. They can offer advice, share recipes, or simply lend an ear when you're having a tough day. Remember, you're not alone in this. Adapting to a keto lifestyle involves a few simple but effective hacks. By staying hydrated, choosing your sweeteners wisely, planning your meals, and leaning on your community, you can navigate the keto journey with ease and success. Like any diet, the keto diet comes with its potential challenges. Let's dive into one of the most common ones you might face on this journey: the so-called keto flu. As your body transitions from burning carbohydrates to fats for energy, you might experience some discomfort. This might include symptoms like fatigue, headaches, irritability, and even nausea. Don't be alarmed, this is just your body adjusting to a new fuel source, and these symptoms typically subside after a few days to a week. Now, how can you mitigate these symptoms? First, ensure that you are drinking plenty of water. Hydration is key in helping your body adjust. Secondly, don't skimp on your electrolytes. As you cut out carbs, your body might be flushing out more water and electrolytes than usual. To counter this, you can include foods rich in potassium, magnesium, and sodium in your diet. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and even bone broth. Another challenge you might encounter is feeling deprived or restricted, especially in social situations where carb-heavy foods are the norm. Here's a tip: plan ahead. If you're heading to a party, consider eating a keto-friendly meal beforehand, or bring along some keto-approved snacks. This way, you won't feel tempted to stray from your diet because of hunger. And let's not forget about the infamous carb cravings. They can be particularly strong in the initial stages of your keto journey. Our advice? Be patient with yourself. It's normal to experience cravings as your body adjusts. Try to find low-carb alternatives to your favorite treats, or opt for keto-friendly sweeteners when you need a bit of sweetness in your life. Lastly, remember, progress, not perfection. It's okay to make mistakes and learn from them. The key is consistency, not perfection. Don't be too hard on yourself if you have a slip-up. Just get back on track at the next meal. Being prepared for these challenges can help ensure your success on the keto journey. You've got this. You're now armed with the knowledge to embark on your keto journey. We've stripped away the confusion, leaving you with the essential rules for a successful keto lifestyle. Don't hesitate to ask questions, share your feedback, or even post your favorite keto recipe. We're all in this together, building a vibrant and supportive keto community. Remember, your keto journey is unique to you. Here's to your success.